10. Chop the Beauty Critic.
Is Trevor serving Anastasia Beverly Hills Royal Glam? Hey guys, it's Andi the Beauty Critic. In this video, I'll be scoring the 124.19 post from TrevorJBarrett titled Royal. Is it a royal look, or is this the look of the peasants? Well, I have my notepad here ready to assess. You guys be sure to assess in the comment section below. And now let's get into the post. Okay, so my overall assessment of the application is that Trevor has a little bit of an edge when it comes to his makeup application, and this application with his facial posing reminds me a bit of Ruby Rose. Based on this application, I also feel as though he has a really good understanding of color harmony. His color choice amplifies his eye color and makes them appear brighter. I love how he sculpted his face with a glam approach instead of drag. However, the initial application that throws me off is the brow bone highlight. It feels too neutral in comparison to some of the other tones on the face. Now let's use the power of photo editing to analyze the image. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is play with the levels of the photo so that the tones are more present. Now that the levels are increased, you can vividly see how stark the brow bone highlight looks in comparison to the skin. The brow bone highlight is quite neutral if you compare it to the violet tone that you see in the highlight on the cheek, the inner corner nose, and above the brow bone. The brow bone should be more of a cooler tone to make this image more color cohesive. I can still say, however, I love the sculpting of the face. Even in black and white, the face still has dimension. Because of these factors, my score is 10 for this sultry look. Yeah, guys, so that's my score for the post. If you guys agree with me, leave your 10s in the comment section below. Leave your chops if you don't, and get ready to score the next post starting now.